Let me tell you something important. Nobody talks about how hard the beginning really is. When you start, you don't have followers, you don't have money, you don't even have confidence. People will ignore you, some will doubt you, and some will laugh at your dreams. But listen carefully, every successful person you admire started exactly there. The difference is simple. They didn't stop. They showed up every single day, even when no one was watching. Progress feels slow at first. You will feel tired. You will feel stuck. But growth is happening silently. One day, things start to change. People notice. Results appear. Confidence builds. So if you're watching this right now, feeling lost or behind, don't quit. Keep going. Keep improving. Because your time is coming. And when it does, it will all be worth it. If you want to create professional videos without any editing skills, this tool is for you. This is FlexClip, an all-in-one online video editor that works directly in your browser. No software download, no heavy PC. With FlexClip, you can create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, ads, presentations, and full YouTube videos in just minutes. Let me show you why FlexClip is so powerful. First, FlexClip comes with thousands of ready-made templates. You simply choose a template, replace the text, and your video is almost done. Second, it has a video generator. You just type a prompt, and FlexClip automatically creates scenes, visuals, and text for you. It also includes a text-to-speech, so you can generate natural-sounding voiceovers without using your own voice. FlexClip gives you access to stock videos, images, background music, and sound effects all in one place. You can add animated text, smooth transitions, filters, and effects with just one click. Another great feature is screen recording. You can record tutorials, presentations, or walk through videos directly inside FlexClip. When your video is ready, you can export it in high quality and upload it instantly to YouTube or social media. In short, FlexClip saves time, effort, and money. It's perfect for beginners, faceless channels, content creators, and small businesses.
What to say next? Open quote. Now let me quickly show you how easy FlexClip actually is. First, you simply click on Create a Video. Here you can choose the video ratio. For shorts and reels, I select 9:16. Next, you can either pick a ready-made template or use the AI video generator. All I do is type a simple prompt describing my video idea, and FlexClip automatically creates scenes, visuals, and text for me. Generate the video. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds while FlexClip creates scenes, stock visuals, text overlays. After clicking Generate, FlexClip automatically builds the entire video for me. Step 2. Review the scenes. Scroll through the timeline. Play the preview. Now I quickly review the scenes and make small changes if needed. Step 3. Edit text and visual optional. Click any text, edit wording, replace clips if you want, adjust scene duration. Everything is editable. I can change text, visuals, and timing easily. Step 4. Add voiceover. Important. Go to text-to-speech. Step 3. Edit text and visuals. Now this is my favorite part. Everything you see here is fully editable. If I click on any text, I can instantly change the wording, adjust the font, size, color, or animation. If I don't like a video clip, I can simply replace it with another stock video or upload my own clip. I can also drag the edges of each scene to make it shorter or longer depending on my content. If I want smoother flow, I can add or change transitions between scenes with just one click. And the best part is, I don't need any advanced editing skills. Everything is simple drag and drop. This makes it very easy to customize the video exactly how I want it. Step 4. Add voiceover. Important. Go to text-to-speech or upload voice. Paste your script, choose voice. Say, I can add AI voiceover or my own voice directly inside FlexClip. Step 5. Turn on auto subtitles. Click Subtitles Auto. Choose language, generate captions. Auto subtitles make videos more engaging and viral. Step 6. Add music, low volume. Go to Music. Choose Cinematic Track, reduce volume to 5 to 10%. Keep background music low so the voice stays clear. Step 7. Export the video. Click Export, choose Resolution, download final line to say, and just like that, the video is ready to upload. If you want to create videos this easily, try FlexClip. Link is in the description. Prompt, generate, edit, voice, subtitles, export. No complex timeline, no confusing tools, just simple drag and drop editing. So if you want to create professional videos fast without editing skills or expensive software, FlexClip is a great option. I've added the link in the description. You can try it yourself and see how easy it is. This entire video was created using FlexClip, starting from a simple text prompt. No complicated editing, no professional skills, just a few clicks and everything is ready. You can use this method to create shorts, reels, tutorials, motivational videos, ads, or faceless content. If you want to save time and still create high-quality videos, FlexClip makes the process extremely easy. I've added the link in the description so you can try it yourself. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI tools and content tips, and I'll see you in the next one. And this is the final result.
No followers, no money, no support. But I didn't stop. Progress was slow, but real.